The exterior floodlight camera. So as you can see, this camera is an integrated camera with 3000 lumen floodlights, so it really lights up the area very well when it's triggered. This is a hardwired PoE camera, so it does have direct connection into the network. So it really allows us to have a faster, more consistent connected speed. Most importantly, eliminating a lot of that lag that we might all experience when we're using Wi-Fi enabled cameras. There are other Wi-Fi floodlight cameras on the market out there, but if you've ever had one or had a Wi-Fi camera, you'll notice that when you get that notification that someone's out there or something's moving out there, a lot of times when you log in to view it, that wheel spins and spins and spins, and that's because of that lag of trying to connect via the Wi-Fi. So this actually is a hardwired camera that helps eliminate a lot of that lag. It also has the ability to record 24/7, right? So that's another great feature of this particular camera compared to a lot of the Wi-Fi enabled cameras out there. Most cameras are only going to record 15 or 20-second clips on the Wi-Fi, whereas this one's recording 24/7. So the big advantage of that is when those cameras record that 15 or 20-second clip, once that clip allotment is hit, that camera just shuts off. So if that happens to be the time when I'm looking in the direction of the camera, we've now missed that usable footage that we would have had otherwise. So it's another great feature that this camera offers that others do not. This camera can be customized to have trip lines, ground detection zones. So even though it's recording 24/7, we can choose when we want it to notify us. And it has very high-end analytics, so no longer are we going to get 20 notifications because it's a windy day or it's snowing or raining or whatever's going on that's tricking those more price point cameras into thinking something's out there when it's not. So this can be customized to only notify when it's a person, a vehicle, or an animal, or all three, but it knows the difference. So it truly is only notifying you when there actually is something that's going on the property and not just those false triggers that you tend to ignore. The other nice thing with this is that these are really helpful for deterrence, right? Obviously we want our security systems, but these cameras have an ability to help deter people before maybe they even break in. This actually has a microphone built into it. We can have it siren, make noises. Obviously it can light them up with that 3000 lumen floodlight. It has an additional light that can blink red and red and blue to help deter. We can have the lights flash. You can have it all go off, right? And really, bring their attention. There's no way they're not going to know that they're on camera as they approach the house. So these are great for deterrence for people, especially in a space like this. If we kind of flip the camera around, this is a new construction area, right? As the homes are being built, there's not a whole lot out here right now. So it can really help get people turned around as they approach the house. So great feature, high-end analytics, great connectivity with the hard line, really good for deterring with all the lighting and microphone factors that are built into it.